Hi there guys, welcome back. I'm V from Cuppa Cartel. At the end of the day, after you finish your Cuppa Experience, obviously you need to take care of the machine. So part of the process is to do the milk deep clean. I'm going to show you a very quick step of how to do it. Very simply, you head down to the menu section and press the service menu, key in the code that we have given you and press the maintenance, and very simply you press milk deep clean. So what you would need is a jug with 500 ml of water and the liquid that we provide you. Just squeeze around about the 25 ml in there. Give it a good stir, and then you can remove the milk that you're using and chuck that in. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. The instructions are pretty much clear on the screen. It tells you every step that you need to do, and you press OK. This process takes around 5 minutes, and once it's done, like anything else, because you put in soap, you have to change it with water and place it back again. I'll show you in just a few seconds. And we have our plain water here. Chuck it in there, and off you go. And that last step takes around 2 minutes just to wash off all the residue from the soap, and you're good to go for tomorrow.